Welcome back to Algozen. In today's class, we are starting one of the most important topics in Python, which is if-else statement. And once you understand the concept, we will practice a few coding questions based on it. So what is if-else statement? An if-else statement in Python is a conditional control structure that lets you execute one block of code if a condition is true and another block if the condition is false. Okay, so in Python, if the condition is true, then print hello, otherwise print bye. Okay, if the condition is true, print hello, otherwise print bye. I show you an example. First, we take two variables a equal to 21, b equal to 32. Okay, then if a greater than b, then print a is bigger, else b is bigger, else print b is bigger. Okay, here a equal to 21, b equal to 32. If a greater than b, then print a is bigger. If this condition is true, then print this line, otherwise print this line. Okay, here a equal to 21, b equal to 32. Is 21 bigger than 32? No. So this condition is false. So else b is bigger. Sorry, b is bigger. Okay, run the code. B is bigger because 32 is bigger than 21. Okay, so go to the document. Yeah, a equal to 10, b equal to same. The same concept. But I show you there is if a greater than b, whether b is greater than b is greater. If a is not greater than b and b is not greater than a, then obviously both are equal. So a is equal to b. Then the next example. Oh, okay. Score equal to 85. If score greater than 90, then print grade A. Okay. And if there is if else statement, but if we want to write multiple conditions, then we use if, elif, and the last line is else. Okay. So if score greater than 90, elif score greater than equal to 80 and less than equal to 90, and score less than equal to 90, then print grade B. Okay, so here if score greater than 90 means 90 is not included. Here score greater than equal to 80 means is starting from 80 to less than equal to 90. 80 to 90, here 90 is equal because equal to is here. Okay, oh, then elif score greater than equal to 70 and score less than equal to 8, less than equal to no loss less than equal to 79, less than equal to 79, then print grade C. Okay, else print grade D. So score equal to 85, here score equal to 85. If someone score, if the score is greater than 90, then print grade A. If score greater than or equal to 80 and less than equal to 90. If score is starting from 80 to 90, which is 90 is included, then grade B. If score is greater than or equal to 70 and less than or equal to 79, then print grade C, otherwise print grade D. Okay, so just click the hit button. Your score is 85, so this condition true, so grade B, print grade B. Okay, that's done. Example 2 is done. Go back to the third example. A equal to 10, B equal to 20, C equal to 30. Here, if A greater than B and A greater than C, print A is greatest. If A greater than B and greater than C, then obviously A is greater than both B and C, right? So print A is greatest. Else if second condition, if this condition false, then second condition, if B greater than A and B greater than C, if B greater than A and greater than C, then obviously B is the greater than both A and C. So B is greatest, otherwise C is greatest. So go back to PyCharm. A equal to 66, B equal to 98, C equal to 10. Okay, if A greater than B and A greater than C, print A is greatest. Else if B greater than A and B greater than C, print B is greatest. Else print C is greatest. Okay, so A equal to 66, B equal to 98, C equal to 10. If A greater than B, is 66 greater than B? No. So this condition false. And the second condition, if B greater than A, is B greater than A? Yeah, 98 is greater than 66. And B greater than C, is 98 greater than 10? Yeah, 90 is greater than 10. So this condition is true. So print this condition, which is B is greatest. Hit the enter button. B is greatest. Okay. Now move to the next topic. Oh, it's a practice question. Okay. First question. Take a temperature input from user. If temperature less than 10, then print its extreme cold. If temperature equal or more than 40, then print extreme hot. Else print normal. Okay, if temperature is less than 10, then we need to print its extreme cold. If temperature is equal to or more than 40, then we print its extreme hot, otherwise print normal. That's very easy. You can try yourself. Okay, I can also do that. Okay, first is like temperature input. So temperature equal to int input temperature, then if temperature, but before I do, question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, try to solve this practice question on your own, guys. If you don't try by yourself and if you don't get stuck in the code, you will never truly learn. I am showing the solution here, but make sure you attempt it first. If you still don't understand after trying, then rewatch the video, it will help. Okay, So start. If temperature less than 10, then print extreme cold. And if temperature greater than or equal to 40, print extreme. If temperature greater than or equal to 40, print extreme hot. Else print normal. Okay, run the code. What is temperature? Given temperature, less temperature will give 4. Enter. 4 is less than 10, so extreme cold. Enter 76. 76 is greater than 40, so extreme hot. And temperature is 23. Oh, sorry, not P, it's O. Let's see, 23. Okay, 23 normal, because 23 is between 23 is not less than 10 or not greater than equal to 40, it's between them, so that's why normal. Okay, first question done. Second question, write a Python program that takes a number as input and check. Okay, first we need to take a number as input. So number equal to int input. Okay, enter a number. Okay, then if the number is 0, print number is 0. If number is negative, print number is negative. If the number is positive, then if it is even, print number is even, otherwise print number is odd. Okay, it's very simple. Let's say if next line, if number equal to 0, print the number is 0, and if num less than 0, then print the number is negative. Print the number is negative, and if number, sorry, else, okay, if number equal to 0, then number is 0. If number less than 0, then number is negative. Else if number divisible by 2 equal to 0, then print the number is even. Else print the number is odd. Okay, done. So if number is divisible by 2, means if we divide the number by 2 and the remainder will be 0, then it's a even number. Let's take example, number is 4. 4 divided by 2, 2 2 are 4, so remainder 0, so it's an even number. If number is 5, 2 2 ja 4, 1 remainder is 1, then it's an even number. It's an odd number, not even. Sorry. Okay, that's it. Now, question number 2 is done. Now, question number 3. Write a Python program that takes a person's age as input and prints. Okay, write a Python program that takes a person's age as input. It's also very simple, guys. I just change here. Age equal to in input. Enter your age. Okay, the conditions. Child, print child if the age is less than 13. If age less than 13, print child. Okay, next. If age between 13 to 19 inclusive means 19 included. Okay, then teenager. Print teenager if age 13 to 19 greater than or equal to 13 and age less than and less than and equal to 19, then print teenager. Then the next condition, adult, print adult if the age between 20 to 59 inclusive. Then elif age greater than and equal to 20 and age less than equal to 59, print adult. Okay, elif. Okay, elif age greater than or equal to 60, print senior citizen. Okay, else print. Okay, then else print invalid input. Okay, if age less than 13 and age greater than equal to 1 and okay, that's it. Next, what the code actually does here, age equal to, we take age input from the user, then check if the age is greater than and equal to, if the age is greater than and equal to 1 and age less than 13, if the age between 1 to 12 means included 12, then print child. Why write this code? If someone enter negative numbers, then the else section will print which is invalid input. So if age greater than equal to 1 or less than 13, print child, like that. Also hit enter. If enter number is 11, so child, because it between 1 to 13 and 2, I mean 12. Okay, if I enter 16, it's a teenager because this conditions true. If I hit enter and enter 45, adult, because this condition true, 20 to 59. If I give my age equal to 75, then senior citizen, this condition is true. If I enter negative number like -7, it enter invalid input. Age can't be negative number, right? Or you can write invalid input. Age can't be negative number. Okay, like -5. Invalid input, age can't be negative number. That's it. So question 3 is done. Now, okay. So that's all for today's class on if else statement. Make sure you practice today's question. If anything feels confusing, then rewatch the video. And if you still have doubts, just comment. I will always reply.